on our way to a junkyard because some guy offered to give us batteries for cheap. Old bus batteries, actually. So we know they're meant for this purpose.
We got our trailer in the back.
Let's see if we can capture it on camera.
Yep.
Got our trailer in the back.
Yeah. We're gonna go pick it up, test the pack, take it apart, see if we need another one, and who knows, might be driving an electric car soon.
Yep, hopefully. No traffic yet. Nice. We are finally here. All right, let's go take a look around, see what we got. Man, this place is a gold mine. We got the system control modules, the batteries somewhere over there, and the drive units. And if we find a way to make this all work, it's definitely gonna be a lot cheaper than buying all these parts new. Oof, look at that squat. We have it loaded up on the trailer. It's a 500 to 750 volt pack. And we're gonna take it apart. Fun. Let's head on back down to Toronto then. Alright, we gotta stop for gas because prices here are super cheap. Basically stealing gas at this point. Okay, so we're back in Toronto. And it's time to get this thing taken apart.
Go. So we've taken the fan out. Those are all our battery packs.
Oh, he got it. There we go. That's the flick of the switch. Sure thing, boss. Let me just leave you to it.